Hey crew, today's video will be barbecue shrimp. We're gonna do a New Orleans style barbecue shrimp, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have black peppercorns, ground black pepper, Tony Chachere Creole seasoning, Worcestershire sauce. I don't even know how to say. We're gonna say W sauce. Minced garlic, butter, large shrimp with the head on, lemons, and French bread. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Let's get into our New Orleans style barbecue shrimp video. Hey crew, so we're gonna start on our sauce. We're gonna use a half a cup. Two teaspoons. 2 teaspoons also of regular black pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, or cracked ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're gonna mix this up, get everything combined well. And you want to cook this on high heat. And you want to cook the shrimps 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until they turn pink. Once they turn pink, you're gonna start adding your butter. And we're gonna add 3 sticks of butter, but we're gonna add it in cubes. Mix it well, make sure that's melted, then add some more until we get all 3 sticks of butter in there, because you don't want the sauce to emulsify and it won't be a sauce. We're gonna go in with our shrimp. And you want to use a pound of large shrimp with the head on. And a pound around 12 to 16 shrimp. Like I said, 1 to 2 minutes aside, and you want to flip them. Alright, so we're going to turn our heat down to low. We're going to go in with 3 sticks of butter cubed, and we're going to slowly add the butter. You want to constantly stir this in, or shake up your pot to make sure that it melts. And you don't want to add any more butter until you see that the first cubes of butter you added has completely melted into your sauce. don't forget, like I said, you want to constantly stir this.
Why should I leave you, baby? Please don't talk to me.
We're doing the last 3 pieces.
'Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are, and I don't ever want to leave you.
Toast up and buy barbecue shrimp.
You talk to me that way.
New Orleans style. I'm gonna toast up some French bread, then we're gonna plate it. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we sliced up our French bread.
And I'm sorry if I sound a little harsh, but I don't know how to get through to you.
So we're just gonna lightly toast each side of our bread.
You don't seem to know that you are everything a girl could.
Our bread ready, so we're gonna turn this off and take it off the heat. So put some barbecue shrimp in the bowl.
Don't talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect for me, just the way you are, and I don't ever want to leave you. Baby, won't you hear me when I say, don't talk to me that way. 'Cause I think you're perfect for me, just
So here's the finished look of our New Orleans style barbecue shrimp
to leave you. Baby, don't you
with our toasted French bread. Alright, crew, so we're gonna chop into these shrimp. And they peel easy. That's why I say you don't want to cook them too long, because you don't want to overcook them.
just the way you are, and I don't ever want to leave you.
Sure, I'll go back in and put some of that sauce. Woo! I can't even say no speeches, y'all. It is so freaking good. And just with the French bread, just soak that sauce up. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up the video and comment on the video. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Cool it is.